Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the Angelus waterproof baby changing table pad, a must-have for parents seeking durability and convenience. This changing pad boasts a heat-sealed construction, ensuring it withstands daily wear and tear while providing a sturdy surface for diaper changes. Comfort is key, and with its 1-inch thick foam filling, your baby will enjoy a cozy experience without compromising on compact storage. Cleanup is a breeze with its latex-free, waterproof design that wipes down quickly for those speedy diaper changes. Versatility is at the forefront, as this compact pad can be easily placed on a dresser, tabletop, or any flat surface for an on-the-go change. Measuring 39 inches by 17 inches by 1.25 inches, it's perfectly sized for your little ones as they grow. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and convenience with the Angelus waterproof baby changing table pad. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.